My BS is in biomedical engineering. I still feel really good about working on rehabilitative robotics or any kind of robot that's going to help someone accomplish something.
I built a dynamic impedance prosthetic ankle from scratch. The gist of it is like if the weight is on the foot, and then you pick up your foot, it adjusts, and then when you put your weight back down and you pick your foot back up, it'll adjust.
My guidelines for what I wanted out of a master's program was really strict. I wanted 1 year, I wanted small group, I wanted project-based, and Northwestern was the only school I applied to. It was the only one that resonated with me, it was the only one that felt good, and so when I got in, I immediately said, yes, I'd like to go.
This is a rotary encoder, so it's keeping track of the angle of the foot relative to the leg, which allows you to detect like if you're running or walking, because that angle will change quickly.
The faculty, the curriculum, the other students that are in this program, everything is exceptional. They really just truly believe that you're capable, and if you can dream it, they're gonna try to get you to do it.